Hello guys, I'm gonna show you exactly how to get verified after signing in into Kucoin. So make sure to watch the video till the end to not miss anything. So basically, after you sign in, you'll see that pop up and you're gonna click on verify now. After that, you're gonna click on verify again. They're gonna ask you what country you're from. So in this case, I'm from the UK. After that, they're gonna ask you what ID type do you wanna use. For example, let's choose ID card and click continue. Gonna write your first name, then your last name, and your ID number. Then you're gonna do the other step of verification. So they're gonna ask you to show them the front of your ID, and after that they're gonna ask you to show them the back of your ID, and lastly they're gonna ask you to show your face to verify that it's you on the ID. And like that you get verified on Kucoin. And that's it for today guys. See you in another video. Bye bye.